Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that a lot of you have been asking about, the minimum deposit for Popular Direct. But before we get into that, let's take a quick step back and talk about why you might be interested in Popular Direct in the first place. Popular Direct is a high-yield savings and CD bank that offers some of the best interest rates on the market. This means that if you're looking to grow your money, Popular Direct is a great option. Of course, before you can open an account with Popular Direct, you need to make a deposit. So, what is the minimum deposit for Popular Direct? The minimum deposit for Popular Direct varies depending on the type of account you open. For a high-yield savings account, the minimum deposit is $100. For a CD, the minimum deposit is $500. So, if you're looking for a high-yield savings account or CD, Popular Direct is a great option. And with a minimum deposit of just $100 or $500, it's easy to get started. Now that we've covered the basics, let's take a look at some of the other benefits of banking with Popular Direct. One of the biggest benefits of Popular Direct is that they offer a wide variety of products and services. In addition to high-yield savings accounts and CDs, Popular Direct also offers checking accounts, mortgages, and loans. Another benefit of Popular Direct is that they have a great customer service team. If you have any questions or problems, you can always reach out to them and they will be happy to help. Overall, Popular Direct is a great choice for anyone who is looking for a high-yield savings account or CD. With their competitive interest rates, wide variety of products and services, and excellent customer service, Popular Direct is a bank that you can trust. So, what are you waiting for? Open a Popular Direct account today and start earning more interest on your savings. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.